2, 3. Penguins fly! Wait, what? Penguins waddle, penguins swim. How I'd like to swim with them. Go Penguins!
Remember how we've been waiting every week, girls, for something to show other than stalk? We saved, I think there's around 4 of them left, so each of you try to find one to pick.
Look what I got.
Okay, sure, 2 for you. Hopefully, don't pick any others now, so we want to save one for sister. Guys, what are you noticing about this whole popcorn book? She chopped it. She would love you to eat some.
It's your hat. I like them in stir fry. They are so
Here, Kaylina, would you like the cucumber? Not your favorite food?
I wanted one of those. No.